Eliminationme.
Stop doing that.
Wait.
Hello, I am the little friend of ours and I like too many things. I lied, I dislike mosquito in my tongue.
Plastic macaroni.
Okay, no more debut until season 2. The little friend of ours is out with 8 votes. Oh well, I won't add Saberford in the intro because I lost the scenario. Your next challenge is to stop me from killing myself.
We're so nonchalant it's illegal.
I lied. Find funny thing in the fridge.
How do those things happen?
Adorable.
Saberford found the funny in the fridge, so she wins. Guess what that means?
Are you pregnant?
Mr. Krabs, they've been saying that for the past 10 minutes.
Well, snap out of it! We have customers to serve! Fire in the hole!